everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to make this crochet flower. Now before we get started, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now for this tutorial I'm using crochet 2.5 millimeter hook and I have used crochet 4-ply cotton yarn and I have two colors here. So let's get started. We begin with the magic circle. Now for those of you who do not know how to work a magic circle, I have a video on that as well. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. Now once you have your magic circle, you need to work 5 single crochets in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you pull the loose end to close the circle. Now to join your row, you work a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Now for the next row, you chain 1. You work 2 single crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2. 2 single crochets in the next stitch, 1 and 2. And you need to continue working 2 single crochets in each stitch of this row. You need to have a total of 10 stitches. After you complete your row, you need to join it with a slip stitch into the first single crochet of this row. And now for the next row, you chain 1. In the first stitch, you work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, 2 single crochets. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, 2 single crochets. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. And in the next stitch, 2 single crochets. You need to continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row, and you need to have a total of 15 stitches. After you complete your row, you need to join it with the slip stitch into the first single crochet. And now you chain 1 and cut your yarn. We're going to change the color for the next row. Now you're going to join the next color in any of the stitch, going in right here. And you chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now you need to insert your hook in the stitch right here, not the first one, the second stitch. Pull up a loop. The next stitch, pull up a loop. Next stitch, and you do that for all the stitches. And now you insert your hook into the stitch where you started right here and pull up a loop. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you keep doing that till you reach the end of this row. Now you need to insert your hook into the stitch right here. You have a loop here, then you have a second loop here. You need to go in the stitch that's right here, and you pull up a loop. That's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you keep doing that till you reach the end of this row. Now again, you need to pull up your loops right from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Insert your hook in the same stitch, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you continue doing that till you reach the end of this row. Now you need to pull up the loops again. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you insert the hook in the next stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and continue this for the rest of this row. And now you need to work slip stitch to reach down here. Slip stitch in each stitch till you reach down here. So you go into the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now you work a slip stitch in the same stitch, and we've completed working our first petal. Now to start the next stitch, you work a slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 7, and you need to pull up loops and work your way down. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Insert your hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, and again yarn over, pull through 2 stitches. Now you pull up your loops again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops till you reach the end of this row. Now again you need to pull up the loops. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now in the same stitch, pull up a loop and complete your row by pulling through 2 stitches. And again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you go to the next stitch here, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and now you're going to work the slip stitch. Four, 5 and 6, and work a slip stitch in the same stitch. So we've completed working 2 petals. Each petal will take 3 stitches from the previous row that we made. So you need to have a total of 5 petals. Continue working this pattern till you have 5 petals. After you complete your row, you need to work a slip stitch right here in the first stitch where you started the petal. And now you need to work 1 single crochet here. We are going to work single crochets around the petal. So you get the first stitch, one single crochet in each stitch, and in the corner stitch right here you work 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Then you continue working 1 single crochet, and again in the corner stitch you work 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3. And now you're going to work 1 single crochet on the other side in each stitch, you've completed 1 petal. Now you need to work a single crochet right here in between the petals, a slip stitch, not a single crochet, a slip stitch in between the petals, and you need to go to the second petal and start working your single crochets. So you need to continue working single crochet on the border of every petal. Only in the corner stitches you need to work 3 single crochets. Continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete your row, you need to chain 1 and cut your yarn. We've completed making the crochet flower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.